Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at the filter function in Excel and how it works. I'm so excited to show you how it works. So now let's jump right into the video.
Here we have a data set. Now what you're seeing here is a data set of over over 5,000 entries, right? You can see it here. It's over 5,000 entries, and we have information on types of pizza sold by this company, the price of each, the quantities sold. So this is assumed that this is a sales table, the amount sold, the time of sale, and the time it has been sold for, before 9 a.m., after 9 a.m. So this is the information we have. Now let's take for instance that I am looking for the information on all pizza sold, all extravaganza pizza. Extravaganza pizza is a type of pizza. So I want to know every information about the sales of extravaganza this thing. Now there are different ways you can go about it in Excel. Excel you can do you can use like 3-4 ways to be able to achieve something, but the one that we want to use now is the filter. Now to do the traditional filter, you have to introduce the filter icon here, or better still, let me just do that for all of them. So I go and then I click on the filter and I click on extravaganza, and then it's going to filter out. Now what it has done is that it has actually hidden cells, right? So what I can see here is 3, 5, 34, 37. So what it means that information 2, information 4, information 6 to 33 has been hidden, and like that. So what I'm having here now is filtered information just to show extravaganza, right? Now what I want to do, I want to have all of my information, all of my data sets still here, but I just want to extract what I need into this table, right? Into this table, right? So first and foremost, let me do a data validation. Now these are all the things that you are going to learn. So let's just put filter by, okay, and format the cell to be like it. Now I go to my data, introduce my data validation. Okay, this is also what you're going to learn. I'll explain all about these things in class. Okay, so what I want is this column, click enter, and voila. So what it means is I have a drop down of items here that I can choose from. Okay, so that is what I have done. Now what I really want to do is I want to filter, like I said, I want to filter by extravaganza without really hiding any rows, right? And I just want to extract the information into this new table set that I have here. So I'm going to use my filter function. I'm going to use that to call it in. Now the array is my table array of information, right? And introduce the next argument, which is include. What I want to include is the pizza, right? The pizza sold. So this is it. And I want it to be equals to what I have in my column I2, right? I2. So whatever I have here, I want it to return in this field, right? And I hit my enter. Now why it's not coming out is because I have not selected anything yet in my I2. So if I go here and I choose extravaganza and I hit enter, you can see that every information, right, for extravaganza has been pulled out for me without necessarily hiding my columns, right? If I decide to say, okay, I want to see information for hot veggie, now it's automatically going to bring that out. Then I can go ahead to format my table, to make it more what do you call it now, to make it look more presentable. And also if you notice, my time here is different from my time here, right? This is called formatting, right? So there's what we call data formatting in Excel. When you come into class, we're also going to teach you how to get the right data type format in Excel. So thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below.